In this video, we will take a look at the navigation tag. As you might have already guessed, the navigation tag is used to contain navigation links. In order to use it, you just write nav and then close it. Inside our nav tag, we are going to have anchor tags. So I'm going to say A and then href. I'll put a hashtag in here because I'm linking to nothing yet. And then I'll close this up and type home and save. And that will be our first navigation link. I'm going to put in a divider here and move on to the next link. The next link will be about us. So I'm going to write about us here. And then I'm going to copy these two and duplicate them multiple times. And I'm going to change their contents. By default, our navigation tags are going to appear like this. We've already covered anchor tags, so hopefully you've watched that video so you know how to use the anchor tag. What I'll show you in this video is that we can change the appearance of our navigation links here using the styles tag. In the styles tag, we are going to write some CSS to change the appearance of our navigation links here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select nav and then select A. Inside our selector here, I'm going to say text decoration and then none. These will basically remove the underlines on our nav actions here. Another thing we can do is we can say margin right 10 pixels. This will basically just add a space to the right of each of our items here to space them apart. We will cover how to style this more in detail in the CSS section of this course. For now, just note that you can use the navigation tag to link all your main pages, and this should appear at the top of each and every one of your page. With that said, thanks for watching, and let's look at HTML forms in the next video.